Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. It's a clean slate. We're starting fresh month in November. October wasn't that great for me. I lost probably 50% of my account. But you know what? I'm not giving up. It's a continuous learning process, and I'm in it for the long run. So worst case scenario, if I did end up blowing up my account, I'll just add a little bit more and go from there. But I'm going to continue to trade no matter what. So, as for this morning, NIO was looking extremely bullish. It gapped up like maybe $4, and it had good news. It had really good sales for the month of October, I think, like double the amount that they were expecting. So it had really good news. We got the election tomorrow, or voting tomorrow, so we'll see what happens with that in the stock market for the rest of the week. But I had drawn out some line. There's really nothing to go by because we're at the all-time highs right now for NIO. 3305 was the gap. Was a big 3305 on the 5-minute. You could see better. It's basically the breakout pre-market. So it was being tested a couple times as resistance, and then it broke out, and then it made it all the way up to 3403. So I have 3305 marked out, 3403 marked out because it tested that a couple times and broke that, and then the pre-market high was 34.46, so I just marked out 34.50, the $0.50. So those are my lines I'm going to be going by when the market opens. And 34.03, I basically am making just 34, so 34 and 34.50. I'm looking to do breakout trades. So as we opened, sold off, made it all the way down to 3305, and then reversed, and now it's got some bullish momentum, and we're kind of making our way up. We're over the 200. Let's look on the 5-minute. We're over the 200, the 50 VWAP, and we're moving up towards the 9 right now on the 5. And on the 1-minute, we're kind of just in limbo. So I just want to wait and see what happens if we get to any of these areas. So I am going to fast forward just to move this consolidation along. Here we go, some selling off to the 200 on the 1-minute. And now we're moving up. Just picking what kind of strike, because I'm just going to get into one contract. The premiums aren't too bad for the strikes, and these expire November 6th, so that's Friday. Around $150 for a just outside the money contract for a call. I mean, I can go more outside and go under $100, but I want something that's going to move fairly decent. I don't like going too far outside the money. So a 5 minutes looking pretty bullish. Well, we had a red to green, and now we're coming back down to VWAP. I thought about placing a VWAP trade, but also the spreads on these are a little more than I'm used to. I'm used to 1-cent spreads with Apple and the SPY. With NIO, it's like 2, 3, 4-cent spreads. So, you know, you want to get filled closer to the bid than the ask, but it's kind of hard. Just checking the volume. And as I'm checking the volume, so I paused it here. And here we go. So I paused it. And look at this, look out in the 5 minutes. So I had paused it because it was a lot of consolidation, I was waiting. And as soon as I was looking at how much volume there was, which there's a lot, it ripped up over 34. So I missed my spot right there. Not gonna lie, tried chasing it right here. Just kind of hovering around 34.10. Still looking really bullish. The level 2 on this is a lot easier to read than the more expensive stocks. Because at every $0.50 and whole dollar, you got like 30,000 shear walls, 40,000, 50,000. So I wish I could have the level 2 up to show you guys what I'm looking at. But it's breaking through. The 34.30 had a nice wall that it broke through, so I tried getting in around 34.30, but I missed it. It went by too fast. And I tried getting filled on the ask. Oh, never mind. I'm trying to buy that at $1. I don't know what the hell I'm doing there. Because I had my limit price set at 1 point. I never clicked. So we're back down, 34.28. Looking at the $38 strikes. No, I think I do. Yeah, okay, 36. And here we go. So now here's the rip. And I get in here. I should have waited for the 34.50 break, but there was there wasn't a lot of shares between now and 34.50. And on the 1 minute and the 5 minute, look how bullish these candles are. Look at this topping candle right here. So I'm in this thing right now, getting my order ready. $34.40, just kind of hovering. $39.41, and $34.50 had a nice wall, but it broke right through that. So I'm just waiting. I don't want to sell too fast. 65. All right, it's pulling back a little bit. 62. That's why I wanted to wait for the next 1 minute candle. And this isn't really moving like I would like it to, so I end up getting out right there. But then it does move up a little more. I think I got out around 34.70. So for $13 minus the little bit of fees, $12.80. So that's not bad off a quick scalp trade. I'll take that to start the month. That really lifts up my spirits because I've just been doing really bad trading lately. So this is a kind of momentum scalp that I'm looking for. It's hard to get in when you're trying to get in on the rip up because you're trying to. It's hard to time getting in on the ask, because by the time you click it, if it's moving up, by the time you click the ask and you click buy, it could already be above that price. So you really don't want to put a limit price too far above that. But if you can catch at the right moment and ride the momentum up, that's what I like to do, in and out. So that's it, one trade for today. And I don't want to lose this profit, so I'm just gonna call it a day right there. So it's a good way to start the week, a good way to start the month. It's not big profit, but my account's really dwindled down over the past couple weeks. So if it's too small of an amount for me to be trading with, if you guys are a little bored with this and you want to see me make some bigger moves, just let me know, because I am thinking about adding some funds to this account. But I'm not 100% sure yet. So just comment, like, and if you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.